Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about Lokmanya Tilak. Yesterday we have learnt about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Page 18 of your textbook. First, I will read this essay on Lokmanya Tilak and then I will explain you in detail. Lokmanya Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. The person who asserted this was Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born in 1856. At that time, the British ruled over India. People did not like this British rule. They agitated against the British government. Lokmanya Tilak inspired a national spirit among the people. For that purpose, he organized public celebrations of Ganeshotsava and Shiv Jayanti. In his papers, Kesari and Maratha, he boldly criticized the government. The British government arrested Tilak and put him in prison. But Lokmanya Tilak continued his struggle for Swaraj even after he was released from prison. He spent all his life in the service of the nation. My dear students, like Mahatma Gandhi ji, even Lokmanya Tilak is a great man of our country. Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. Swaraj means self-rule. The person who asserted this was none other than it was Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23rd July 1856 in Maharashtra, my dear students. His father Gangadhar Tilak was a school teacher and a Sanskrit scholar. Parvati Bai Gangadhar was his mother. Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India. Tilak got master's degree both in mathematics and in Sanskrit from Deccan College. After that, he studied law at the University of Bombay. He was a politician, teacher, freedom fighter, social reformer, and a lawyer. My dear students, he was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. He was also one of the first advocates of Swaraj, which means self-rule. At that time, the British ruled over India. People did not like this British rule. Nobody likes, my dear students, that we should be ruled by somebody. Right? Everyone likes freedom. They agitated against the British government. They fought against the British government to leave India and go back to their country. Lokmanya Tilak inspired a national spirit among the people. How? For that purpose, he organized public celebrations of Ganeshotsava and Shiv Jayanti. Why did he organize this, my dear students? Because when such festivals are organized, people come together. People come together. When people come together, he could express his views about our country and how to get freedom for our country. He also boldly fought with the Britishers. Now, how did he give message to the Britishers, British government? In his papers, Kesari and Maratha, he boldly criticized the government. Now the government did not like this, the British government. Then what did they do? They arrested Tilak and put him in the prison. But Lokmanya Tilak did not sit quiet. He continued his struggle for Swaraj even after he was released from prison. My dear students, he died on 1st August 1920 in Maharashtra. He spent all his life in the service of the nation. Such a great man was Lokmanya Tilak. We all learn moral from his life story. My dear students, this is enough for today. Read this page 18 on Lokmanya Tilak. This is the homework for you. Thank you.